7 side hustle students can start in 2026. If you're a student in 2026, the world has given you the biggest gift ever, the ability to earn money from anywhere, using nothing but your skills, creativity, and a phone. Today, I'll show you 7 powerful side hustles that students are using to earn real income, without quitting studies or needing huge investments. Let's start with the most beginner-friendly option, freelance microservices. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to offer simple tasks such as social media captions, resume editing, Canva designs, or short video edits. These are skills you can learn in days, and they help you build a long-term freelance profile. Next is AI-assisted content creation, one of the fastest-growing income streams of 2026. Students use tools to create short videos, scripts, thumbnails, and graphics. You don't need to be a creative genius. You just need consistency. You can sell content packs or help small businesses manage their social media. Our third hustle is dropshipping with trending micro products. Students no longer need warehouses. They simply create an online shop and ship through suppliers. The key is choosing small, low-cost, viral items that sell fast. With the right products, a small store can turn into a big income source. Fourth on the list is digital tutoring. If you're good at English, maths, science, or even coding basics, you can earn by teaching younger students online. All you need is your phone's camera and headset. Students around the world now prefer online tutors because it's cheaper and flexible. Our fifth hustle is affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn commission on every sale. This works extremely well on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. You don't need to handle shipping or customer service. You simply guide people towards helpful products. Number 6 is selling digital products. Students create templates, notes, planners, study guides, or aesthetic wallpapers using Canva and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. The best part? You make the product once, but earn again and again. And number 7, one of the most exciting opportunities, campus-based mini-services. This includes photography for events, printing services, CV designs for classmates, or even managing small student societies. Offline services may seem small, but they bring steady income with almost no competition. The truth is, 2026 belongs to students who take action. You don't need a business degree. You don't need big money. You just need to start with one skill, one idea, and one decision. Every side hustle begins small, but the experience you gain can change your entire future. So pick one, start today, and build your own financial freedom from wherever you are.